It's about 12 o'clock noon, and it's time for meal one. You got 2 pork roll, egg, and cheese sandwich on Portuguese bun. GAF. What's good, YouTube? It's 4 o'clock. It's time for a post-workout shake. Just got finished on back and buys. Got Gatorade and 2 scoops of cinnamon swirl, celery core. Tastes like ass. Fuck all that, we mix it. Drink for function, right? Meal number 3, we got 2 cups of brown rice and some good old chicken breast with some sea salt and lemon pepper. Function. It's 8:22 Eastern time. Just got out of work. Got some free sushi on deck. Gonna kill it. Still hungry as fuck after the sushi. Gonna have me some cereal. About a cup. Got some whole milk because I'm bulking. It's the 5th meal of the night. Got some pasta and some vegetables. Carbs. You mad, Chris Lavado? Alright, it's the last and final meal of the night. It's meal number 6. Got some Diamondized Elite XT. Some casein bullshit, but, you know, I take it anyway. 2 scoops off the bed.